Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're fine and enjoying a good health. So in the previous video I have told you the whole procedure, that how you can apply the monetization of your channel through your mobile from the YouTube studio, and this was the new feature from where you can apply it. Initially it was only been applied from the laptops or the computer desktops, so now it's very easy that you can apply it from your YouTube studio. So now in this video I will define you that how you can fill the information in the Google AdSense form. So in the previous video we have created the Google AdSense, and then it redirected you to the Google AdSense page, and now you have to fill all the personal information that of your details in this form. So for this I will just tell you and define you that which information they need. And first of all, there is customer information. As you can see, this is the customer information, this portion, and customer info includes account type, and this is the individual. So if you have any business account, you can just write business, but for me it's an individual account, so now I put the individual. And then you need to write your name. Name is done. Now you need to write the address. Now you have to write the address. You can just fill the address. Now you have this option of submit. After putting all the details in your form, customer information form, you can just submit this. Redirecting you to the YouTube. Now as you can see that I have already done the first step. As you can see my previous video, I will put the link of that video in my description box. You can check it from there. And the second step is in progress now. So when my second step is done, then after that the third step will be started. So this was the whole procedure, that how you can fill the complete information in the Google AdSense form. And I hope you find this video informative and helpful. So if you like it, do thumbs up to my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.